Rectifying errors. Steps for correcting ISF violations. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide on how to correct importer security filing (ISF) violations. ISF violations can occur due to various reasons, such as late filing, incomplete or inaccurate information, or non-compliance with ISF requirements. It is crucial for importers to understand the steps involved in rectifying and resolving these violations. Let's dive in and explore the process. Identify the violation. Thoroughly review the ISF violation notice to identify the specific violation. Determine whether it was due to late filing, inaccurate information, or non-compliance with ISF requirements. Understanding the nature of the violation is essential in addressing and correcting it. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documentation related to the ISF filing and violation. This may include the original ISF form, shipping documents, invoices, bills of lading, and any other supporting documentation that can help clarify or rectify the violation. Conduct a root cause analysis. Conduct a root cause analysis to determine why the violation occurred. Assess internal processes, communication channels, and data gathering procedures to identify areas for improvement and ensure similar violations are not repeated in the future. Consult with customs brokers. Engage customs brokers with expertise in ISF compliance for guidance on rectifying the violation. Customs brokers can provide insights into specific compliance requirements, assist in interpreting the violation notice, and offer recommended corrective measures. Notify customs authorities. If necessary and as per the instructions provided in the violation notice, notify the appropriate customs authorities of your intent to rectify the violation. Promptly communicate your intention to correct the issue to demonstrate your commitment to compliance. Develop a corrective action plan. Based on the root cause analysis and guidance from customs brokers, develop a corrective action plan. Identify the specific steps required to address the violation, rectify the non-compliance, and prevent similar violations in the future. Timely submit corrected information. Ensure accurate and timely submission of corrected information to customs authorities. Submit revised ISF forms or other necessary documents promptly, adhering to the guidelines and deadlines provided by customs authorities. Maintain open communication. Maintain open and transparent communication with customs authorities throughout the rectification process. Promptly respond to any requests for additional information or clarifications, and provide updates on the progress of the correction. Proactively address any penalties. If penalties were imposed as a result of the violation, proactively address the issue by making necessary payments or taking appropriate steps to resolve them. Failure to address penalties can lead to further complications and potential consequences. Documentation of correction measures. Maintain detailed documentation of the correction measures taken to rectify the violation. This documentation can serve as evidence of compliance efforts, subsequent corrective actions, and your commitment to resolving the issue. Collaborate with supply chain partners. Collaborate with supply chain partners, such as suppliers, carriers, and logistics providers, to ensure that accurate and timely information is provided to support the rectification process. Clear communication and coordination among all parties involved help to minimize disruptions. Continuous improvement. Implement continuous improvement measures to prevent future ISF violations. Review and enhance internal processes, provide employee training on compliance requirements, and monitor compliance practices to continuously improve ISF filing procedures. Internal audits and reviews. Conduct regular internal audits and reviews of ISF filing practices. Evaluate the effectiveness of corrective actions and verify compliance with ISF requirements. Internal audits help identify and address any recurring issues promptly. Collaboration with trade associations. Engage with trade associations and industry networks to stay informed about best practices and industry-specific compliance insights. Collaborating with peers and industry experts can provide valuable guidance and help ensure ongoing compliance. Monitor compliance changes. Stay informed about changes in customs regulations and ISF requirements. Regularly review CBP notices and industry updates to ensure that your corrective measures align with the latest compliance standards. Employee training and education. Conduct ongoing training and education programs to ensure that employees understand ISF requirements and compliance expectations. Regularly communicate updates on ISF filing procedures, sharing lessons learned from the correction process. Internal communication and cooperation. Encourage internal communication and cooperation among departments involved in the ISF filing process. Foster collaboration between compliance teams, logistics personnel, procurement staff, and other relevant parties to ensure accurate and timely filing. Utilization of technology solutions. Leverage trade compliance software, automated filing systems, and other technology solutions to streamline and improve ISF filing procedures. Automation helps minimize errors and supports accurate and timely submissions. Review and learn from the experience. Review the experience of rectifying an ISF violation and incorporate the lessons learned into your compliance practices. Regularly evaluate and adapt your processes to minimize the risk of future ISF violations. Correcting ISF violations requires careful analysis, open communication, and proactive efforts toward compliance. By following these steps and implementing the necessary measures, importers can rectify ISF violations and strengthen their compliance practices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade.